Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is object level security. In this we are preventing users or group of users from view, edit, create, delete an object by setting permission on an object. This can be done by profile or permission set. So let's see by profile. Profile is a collection of settings and permissions. Every user must have profile. Profile should have at least one app. It is of restrictive nature. Profile can be assigned to any user, but user can be assigned to only one profile. Profile are of two types: standard profile provided by Salesforce, custom profile. Clone standard profile and use it. Permission set. Permission set is a collection of setting and permission. It is used to extend the permission. One user can be assigned to many permission sets. It is of adaptive in nature. It extends user functional access without changing their profile. So let's see an example. Hide student custom object from user A. To do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So this I had login our main account Salesforce Network, and also I need to log in the second account what I had created, user A. So let's see the user A account. While clicking on administration, under that users, click on users. So we had created one more user by the name usera@network.com. So user name is user A. So let's log in with this account as well, account, to see the changes what we are doing from our main account, that is Salesforce Network. So from the Edge browser I had logged in user A account. So let's see for the student object, is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible. So student object is visible and all the fields are also viewable. And there are some of the records. So these are the records. So again I am coming back to our main user account, that is Salesforce Network. So from here just see what profile this user A is holding. System administrator, new profile. So clicking on this profile, click on edit, scroll down, and in the custom object permissions, so here is the custom object permissions, and here student is there. So if I am unchecking this all, read, create, edit, delete, view all and modify all, and saving, after unchecking this all the boxes and saving this, in this situation we are not able to see the student object. who is using this system administrator new profile. So again come back to our user A account and just refresh or reload the page. So now we are not able to see the student object. So like this, if we do not want to give the access of particular object, by this way we have to do. Again, if I am going this pencil icon, click on add more items, click on all, search for student. Here also it's not available. So like this, we are hiding a particular custom object or any object from a user by using the profile. So to make it available, again we have to go to our main account or administrator account and have to check all the checkboxes for that particular object. So again coming back to our custom object permissions, and if we are going with and if we are checking this all the checkbox, we are able to see the student object in user A account. Just save this setting. Again come back to our user A account, reload this page. So now we are able to see this student object and all the details are coming over here. So like this we are hiding a particular object for particular profile and doing the vice versa. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.